Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're talking about how you can make money by using ads. You advertise products or services to make money. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. Hey there, as I said, welcome to the episode. Today we're talking about how you can make money with advertising products or services. Now, I have mentioned creating ads in the past, designing ads in the past, as well as how you could use them in blogs. But now we're specifically talking in general how you can make money with ads. Whether you're a content creator here on YouTube, whether you're on Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media, whether you have a blog or a website, you can actually make money through advertisements. Now, how do you make money through ads? Well, there's a couple different ways. For instance, here on YouTube, when you reach the YouTube requirement and can join the YouTube Partner Program, you generate revenue from the ads that are placed within our videos for everybody that views them for a period of time or clicks on those ads to look into the advertisement further or even purchase the advertised item. The same concept is as well for your own website, blog, and other platforms. The more views you can get on those ads, the more money you're going to make. Now, if you're under the requirement for YouTube, they have actually started placing ads on our content here on the platform, so the YouTube and Google company overall can generate income off of our content here. So just consider that. YouTube not only allows you to make your content here on the platform, but now they're profiting off of every content creator on the platform. Prior to the recent changes, only those in the YouTube Partner Program would have ads placed on their videos. Now, YouTube has actually placed ads on every content creator that has ad-friendly content. Now, of course, you may or may not have ad-friendly content. If you do, then 9 chances out of 10, you're going to have an ad on your content at one point or another. Whether it's right at the beginning before you get into the episode, or if it's fairly longer, 10 minutes or so, then it may have 1 or 2 within that video. And the more views that they get on those ads, the more money they make. Now, this can be just literally cents on the dollar per thousand, but it could potentially be dollars per view as well. It all depends on the ad type, and so many other different factors. But it usually comes down to the number of views overall that go to that ad. As I said, if you're on YouTube, you meet the requirements and join the YouTube Partner Program, you can actually get a share of the ad revenue from the ads on your videos. If you're on Twitch, they may be able to give you some kind of ad revenue for those on their platform. YouTube specifically doesn't really have ads within their videos, but they do allow the sponsorship or ads on the news feed to promote products, services, live streams, and so much more. to where the viewers that see those ads on the platform are likely to go and purchase a product or a service. And in which case, we'll say hypothetically, you purchase an ad for a course that you're making. You go through the process, upload your ad, Facebook pushes it out for their fee. In return, you might be paying $30 for the month for that one ad, but you're charging $200 or more for a course on your website. And your ad goes out to 10,000 people. Out of those 10,000 people, you get 2,000 people that actually purchase into your course, and we'll say 5,000 that actually looked at your ad. You're going to make money off of those 2,000 that purchased your course. That, in turn, is paying you for that ad because it cost you $30 for the month. So you're making a considerable profit off of that advertisement. So there's a few different ways that you can make money from using ads or services. And as I mentioned before in a previous video, affiliate marketing can be done in an ads kind of way. If you have a blog or a website, you can create your own ads on there for your affiliates. Whether if it's a sidebar on the side of the browser or whether it's a bar on the screen in the center for like a divider. You can put pictures in there for each of those affiliates with a little bit of copywriting, descriptions, or enticing comments to get people to click on those affiliate links, which are your personal ads. If somebody purchases from that affiliate link, you make a commission off of that sale. So I hope that this episode has helped you out on how you can make money from home by using ads, whether it's promoting a product or a service. If you'd like to know more in detail, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where I have articles on this topic and many more. I also have my book, Income Booster, available, 100 plus businesses that you can start from home and ditch the 9 to 5. Doesn't matter whether you're part-time, full-time, or unemployed, disabled, or a stay-at-home parent. There's literally tons of information in there to help you get going on making money from home or online today. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll catch you in the next episode where we discuss another way for you to be able to make money from home.